Fast and easy to use, 2-in-1 lubricates and degreases your chain and gears in one easy step. Tough on grit and grime, 2-in-1 leaves behind a premium lubrication as it works. Provides extra protection to bicycle components, especially in salty or humid climates. Fit type, universal fit. Top reviews from the United States. I'm no profession, but I love it. It's messy to apply, but if you do it outside or on a piece of large box or something, then it doesn't matter. I did it before leaving my kitchen the first time and got a good amount on the floor. It cleans up easily. Noticeable improvement in the resistance during pedaling right away. I'm just a casual rider and I have a Trek that I bought used with a rusty chain. Fixed it up with first use. Easy directions.